In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan Coinbase QR code 2025. Whether you're sending crypto or just pulling up a wallet address, scanning a QR code is the fastest and most accurate way to avoid typing long strings of characters. Before we begin, make sure your Coinbase wallet app is updated to the latest version and that your device's camera is working. Start by opening your Coinbase wallet app. Give it a second to load. A stable internet connection will help everything appear quickly. Next, sign in with your account. Use your usual secure method, and if your device prompts for biometrics, that's a convenient way to keep things safe. If you're asked for any security checks, complete them to unlock the wallet view. Once you're in, look for the transfer option on the home screen or in the main toolbar. Tapping transfer brings up the actions you'll use to move crypto. This is where the QR code feature lives. Now, tap the small QR code icon. It typically looks like a square made of tiny black and white blocks. The app will request camera access if this is your first time. Go ahead and allow it so the scanner can open. You'll see a camera viewfinder appear. Position the QR code inside the frame, keeping your hand steady and the code well lit. Avoid glare or reflections, and if the image is blurry, move your phone slightly closer or farther until it locks on. Most QR codes will be recognized instantly. When the scan succeeds, the app will fill in the address or payment details that were encoded in the QR code. Take a moment to review what you see on screen. Confirm the asset type and network match what you intend to use, and make sure the address looks correct. Scanning reduces errors, but it's still smart to double check before you proceed. Here are a few quick tips if the scanner doesn't capture right away. Clean your camera lens, increase the brightness on the screen showing the QR code, and try to hold both devices steady. If you're scanning from a printed code, flatten the paper and ensure there's enough lighting, and always scan only from sources you trust. That's it. You've opened the app, signed in, tap transfer, and use the QR icon to start scanning. You're ready to move forward with your transaction confidently and securely.